Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. The title of the book is Progressive English Unit 2 DC. Today our topic is a website advertisement. Students, you have to open your book on page number 30. Here is a website advertisement. Wildlife Conservation Expeditions Marine Conservation. Wildlife students mean jangli hayat and conservation mean tahaffuz. Expeditions mean muhim or tafrihi safar. Coral reefs mean sahili marjan. Coral reefs are widely known as the rainforest of the sea because they are home to such a massive diversity of species. Species mean naslein and diversity mean mukhtalif. But not all people appreciate the crucial role that coral reefs play. Crucial role means zalimana role on various levels in sustaining human life along coral coastline. Coastline sahel samandar, and sustaining means students barqarar rakhne, jari rakhne. And as fertile ground for medicinal discoveries. Discoveries mean इजादात, medicinal mean medical दरियाफ्तें. Discoveries mean दरियाफ्तें yet to be made. The fact is that without the coral reefs to protect fragile mean nazuk, sensitive. Fragile mean nazuk. Fragile coastline, many island and coastal areas would simply disappear beneath the ocean waves. Ocean waves समंदर की लहरें, beneath नीचे, disappear समंदर की लहरों के नीचे गायब हो जाते हैं ये सब. Add to this the role they play as a nursery ground for young fish and as an abundant mean कसरत, बहुत ज़्यादा, food, abundant food source for coastal communities. And you begin to realize महसूस करना that coral reefs are more than just a pretty underwater garden for divers to play. Divers mean गोताखोर. Students, now come on next paragraph. Unfortunately mean बदकिस्मती से. These benevolent mean kindly, हमदर्दाना, रहमदिल. Benevolent features are not sufficient mean काफ़ी to save the reefs and their resident mean रहायशी, resident fish communities from the threat mean धमकी, threat of destructions, तबाही, through overfishing, blasting, pollution and other human impacts, including climate change. इसमें climate change भी include है, माहौल का change, climate. It is estimated mean अंदाज़ा लगाया गया that 27% of the world is reefs are now irreparably mean नाकाबिले तलाफ़ी, नाकाबिले इलाज, damaged, and a further 32% are facing severe difficulties. Now come on next paragraph. But all is not lost. लेकिन सब कुछ नहीं खोया. On the positive side, reefs respond well to conservation measures aimed at rebuilding, दोबारा बनाना, and fish communities can regenerate effectively when sustainable fisheries policies. Sustainable बरकरार रखना, जारी रखना. Fisheries policies mean माहीगीरी policies. Fisheries माहीगीरी policies are implied. This is where Greenforce project can make a real difference. Our data can be used to identify areas requiring protection and monitor recovery rates. Our teams also play a valuable role in educating coastal communities about their reefs and investigating methods of alleviating pressures on fish stocks. Alleviating mean खात्मा करना, यानी fish stock पे जो pressure था उसका खात्मा करना. Now come on last paragraph. Greenforce teams are working on the front line, gathering important information for scientists and managers, communicating directly with local people who depend on coral reefs, and of course learning a great deal themselves about marine biology and conservation and about living with the sea. Dr. Mark Splending, marine science consultant. Now come on next page 31. Here is vocabulary. Match the following 12 words from the brochure with their meanings. First word is fragile. Fragile means delicate, diversity, variety. Crucial, critical, fertile, rich, pollution, contamination, abundant, plentiful, impact, affect, regenerate, grow back again, elevating, making easier, sustainable, able to be kept going, benevolent, kindly, and last one is appreciate. Appreciate means understand. All of these words you have to match as I have taught you people. Here is vocabulary. The meaning of the word role. The meaning of the word role. The expression to play a role, to have a role, and to have a role to play all mean the same. An actor plays a role in a play or film. The word comes from the roll of paper which an actor used to be given with his words in the play handwritten on it. Someone can play a role in many ways other than on the stage. You can play a role in an argument, a project, a situation, and a workplace, a family, or debate. Students, now come on page number 34. Here is adjective, comparative, and superlative. Adjectives have irregular forms. These adjectives have irregular forms. How? Let's see. Good. Comparative is better. And then superlative is best. Adjective is bad. Comparative worse. And superlative worst. Adjective is much. Comparative more. And superlative is most. Here are adjectives, comparative and superlative. Adjectives are given in your notebook. You have to make from it comparative and superlative. For example, fertile, more comparative, more fertile, and superlative, most fertile. Wild, comparative wilder, and superlative is wildest. Good, comparative bad, and comparative is worse, and superlative worst, worse and worst. Valuable. Adjective is valuable, more valuable, comparative, and superlative is most valuable. Adjective is younger, young, and comparative younger, and superlative youngest. Severe, comparative severer, and superlative most severer. And severest, severer, and superlative severest. And the last one is great. Great means a great, comparative is greater, and superlative is greatest. Now we will do question answer that are on page 32. First question is, what do research teams of Greenforce do worldwide? Answer is, Greenforce offers long-term commitment to at-risk regions to establish and implement sustainable communities. In addition, our training programs offer volunteers, research assistant, and also develop their career in conservation. Next question, what are coral reefs known as rainforest of the sea? Answer is, coral reefs are widely known as rainforest of the sea because they are home to such a massive diversity of species. Next question is, what three functions do the coral reefs fulfill apart from offering divers a beautiful underwater garden? Answer is, the coral reefs role play as a nursery ground for young fish to protect fragile coastlines and as an abundant food source for coastal communities, and you begin to realize that coral reefs are more than just a pretty underwater garden for divers to enjoy. Fragile mean nazuk. Next question is, how human activity is threatening the coral reefs? Answer is, unfortunately, these benevolent features are not sufficient to save the reefs and their resident fish communities from the threat of destructions through overfishing, blasting, pollution, and other human impact, including climate change. Next question, how coral reefs respond to conservation measures? Answer is, on the positive side, reefs responded well to conservation measures aimed at rebuilding, and fish communities can regenerate effectively when sustainable fisheries policies are employed. And the last question is, how can Green Forest project help with this conservation? Answer is, this is where Green Forest projects can make a real difference. Our data can be used to identify areas requiring protection and monitor recovery rates. Students, now note down your homework. You have to read page number 32 or 3 times, match and learn the meaning of the difficult words that are on page number 32, and you have to write and learn the question answer. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.